birthday today, and we're gonna be doing some sightseeing and a bunch of stuff. So yeah, you guys enjoy. Happy birthday to me. The Jamaican Patty Company. What do you know, guys? I just went in there and I'm going to try one of their ackee and saltfish patties. Whenever I go somewhere and I see a Jamaican restaurant, I obviously have to go in there and try something. So I'll be trying one of their ackee and saltfish patties. So yeah. Birthday girl in full effect. Happy birthday to me. Check out my outfit. Morning, guys. This is day 2 in London and we are going on a cruise. We're cruising down the Thames or up the Thames. I don't know which direction it goes but we're going on a cruise. I've always wanted to go on the Thames, so we're going to be doing that today. And this is my outfit of the day. Very comfortable. Just my trainers and a pair of jeans and this top right here. It's like a bodysuit and it's from a Pretty Little Thing. I think I bought it last year. It's quite comfortable. It's a little bit cool outside, so I'll be wearing my denim jacket and I'll be wearing my hair like this today. I don't usually wear my hair like this because it's just too much bother. But yeah, this is my outfit and I am ready to go. I'll keep you guys posted on things. All right, see ya. Okay guys, we're on the boat. We just about made it. I'm gonna be showing you the sights and yeah, hope you enjoy as well. Guys, so we just finished the cruise down the Thames. Now we are just going to walk around a bit in London. You'll see some sights that you might have seen on telly, like Big Ben and Parliament and all that good stuff in London City. The weather is not the best, but hey, we move. Whoops. And if you look across there, of course, that's the London Eye, or the Millennium Wheel. Okay, so we're gonna go up these steps. Dun, 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 dun. Lots of stalls selling this, that, and the other souvenirs. Very busy city. There's Big Ben up there.
No, down that way, because if you go down this way, then down there you
Which way? Sorry? Okay. It's a great shot, you guys. So guys, we're finished with the boating. We didn't get to go to the Sea Life Aquarium, which we really wanted to do. We're sold out, so we'll have to do that another day. Sorry, my hair looks a bit messy. We'll have to do the Sea Life Aquarium another time, but yeah, that's it for today, I think. See you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, so my outfit tonight is this one strapped dress from ASOS, these lovely earrings from Shein, and these shoes, these sandals from ASOS as well. They're from the brand Raid, yes. So this is my outfit for tonight. Very simple. Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So this is the last day in London and we had an amazing time. We didn't get to do the sea aquarium yesterday, which was a bummer, but we'll do that another time. But yeah, it's my last day and this is my outfit of the day. It's all black. It's a bit chilly outside. It's about 16 degrees, which is not warm for the summer. So I chose to wear all black, long sleeve. Outfit is from ASOS as per usual, and my trainers because I'll be walking around a bit. So yeah, very simple. Need to tuck this top in really quickly. Yeah, so that's my outfit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and leave me a lovely comment. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.